Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a soft glam look. Baby, I'm going to be telling you how I got this soft glam look using the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. Super cute. Love, love, love this look. You can wear it anywhere, church, a wedding, work, date night, whatever, baby. So if you want to see what I did to this face to get this gorgeous, gorgeous glam look, y'all keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and get started by adding some concealer to my eyelid to prime my eyelid and create a nice clean and smooth foundation for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply this tan color from my Nubian palette above the crease of my eyelid. Now I'm actually going to be using my Fantasy palette for this chocolate brown color. I wanted to use a darker color for the outer corners of my eye. I wanted to use the Nubian palette for this whole video. However, I have the Nubian Mini and I do not have as many colors available. On the Nubian Mini, it only has 6 colors. However, on the regular Nubian palette, there are, I believe, 9 colors. And so the one I have does not have a darker color, and I wanted the outer corners of my eyes to be a little bit darker. So we're applying this to the outer corner, and we're just going to go ahead and just tap that in there and smooth it out and blend it out really, really well until we have the look that we want. I don't want a really, really dark, smoky look, but just I want it to be a nice gradual change and a nice smooth look to it, but I did want it to have that darker foundation on the outer corner. Now that we have that smooth and blended like we want it, we're going to go ahead and go back to our Nubian palette and go with that darker color in there, that brown that's in there, and we're going to apply that to the middle of my eyelid, blending that into that chocolate brown color that I've already applied, and making sure it has a nice blend to it. Now we're going to go into the inner corner of my eye with this lighter shimmer color that's in the palette. In the palette, when you look at it, it actually has a gold look to it, but when you put it on, it actually kind of has a silver kind of look. Kind of interesting. It looks a little bit different when you put it on than it does on the actual palette, but it's still super cute. And it still gave me the look that I actually wanted. So we're going to blend that into the colors that we have already applied from the inner corner, and we're just blending it out until we get to about the middle of the eyelid, and we're just again blending it in there so that it doesn't have a defined line, but making sure it just has a nice smooth blend to it, all those colors being blended together. Now I'm going to take another brush and I'm just going to go to the top of my eyelid and blend in those brown tones into the inner corner of my eye. So again, it just adding to the blended look that I want. And I'm going back in my Nubian palette and getting that brown color and just adding that in there. And it's just really adding a whole uniform look to the eye and making everything pop and really making that shimmer color stand out even more. Now I'm getting a lighter gold kind of shimmer color and just adding it to my brow bone to highlight my brow bone. Again, this just adds a nice pop to the entire eye. Now I'm applying my eyeliner. I'm just doing a simple wing, nothing too dramatic. I will also be applying eyeliner to my waterline, and then I will be applying my lashes. So I've applied my eyelashes and now I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me in the color 356. Now I'm going to be setting my foundation with Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Cinnabon. Now I'm going into my waterline with those colors that I used from my Nubian palette, that brown and that shimmer color. I'm using the brown on the outer corner of my waterline, and then that shimmer color is being used in the inner corner of my waterline. Now I'm going to be highlighting and contouring my face. I will be speeding through this fairly quickly, but if you would like to see a more detailed video on how I highlight and contour my face and the products that I use, make sure you click on the suggested video that is popping up now, and you will be able to watch a full video on what I do and the products that I use. You will not be disappointed. If you missed the link, make sure you go ahead and check out my makeup playlist. It is listed there. Today I'm going to be using my Tarte highlighter. I just want a light highlight to just add a nice glow to my face. Nothing too bright, nothing too shimmery, but something simple. Y'all know I love me some blush, so we're going to add my blush crush to the apples of my cheeks to add some color to this face, honey, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and set all of this with my NYX matte finishing spray. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Yeah, I know I love to line my lips. And this is like a deep pink kind of color. It's not really burgundy, but it has like a pink tone to it. I'm not really sure the name of the color. But I'm going to go in the middle of my lips with my cream matte lipstick by NYX. And it's just in a nude color. You can use any type of nude that you have to make this look. And I'm just going to blend it into that lip liner. Kind of create like an ombre kind of look a little bit. But we're just going to blend that in. And that's it, y'all. This is the finished look. You can change up the lip however you want because this is a nice, soft, simple look. I like this because it is appropriate for almost any setting. I mean, work, church, date night, anywhere you go. This is not, it's not too dramatic. It's nice and soft and neutral. And like I said, you can do any lip color with this. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Support your girl. Thanks for watching. Till next time, y'all be good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that are posted. See you next time.